Hello guys, I'm Pritesh and today I'm going to explain a very easy and interesting LeetCode problem called minimum element after replace with digit sum. In this problem, we are given an integer array nums. Our task is simple. Replace every element with the sum of its digits. After replacing all elements, find and return the minimum element of the array. Let's understand with this example. Suppose here is an array. Now we have to replace each number with its digit sum. So I am replacing 1 plus 10, so its digits are 1 and 0, so 1 and similar goes to the others. Now the array becomes something like this. Now we simply find the minimum element and the minimum is 1, so that we will return the answer is 1. Now what will be our approach? We will create a helper function called digit sum. This function will extract digit by using modulus 10 and them to running sum. Remove digits using /10. Then we transform the array, replace each element with its digit sum. Finally, find the minimum element using min element method. Now let's get into code. First, we have created an helper function called digit sum. Okay, very good. Now create a sum and run our code under axis less than 0. And we will also create another variable in loop. Its digit will extract digit one by one. Time. Now we're gonna add the digit plus sum, and we are going to decrease the number by one. And at the end, simply return sum. Okay, our helper function is ready. Let's transfer to the array for size and increment. Now the main thing here. After the ended main method okay, now let's submit. Okay, as you can see it's working. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.